Brother, show some nasty.
Okay guys, so today I have thought of recording this very random vlog. I don't know what I'm exactly going to explain.
क्या बढ़िया था गुरु.
But you will get some information regarding different aspects of Canada. For now, I'm currently going to the Walmart for the grocery shopping. So, if I want to summarize my life in here in Canada in 3 points, then it will be concluded using 3 pointers, which are what I mainly do in here is study, which is sometimes, as considering I am university student. The second thing that I do majorly is part-time job, and the third thing that I do is grocery shopping. So that's everything. That's how my weeks get concluded. And at the weekend, we get some time to chill, to enjoy, to relax, to sleep with relaxation that you don't have to go for a job. So that's everything for now. If you want to enjoy the scenery around, let me show you. So these are the scenes outside. It's just 6 o'clock in the evening. So things are kind of slowing down.
वाह क्या सीन है. वाह क्या सीन है.
People are going early back to the home, and yeah, so this is the graveyard right here. What happens is that once there are enough graves in a single graveyard, they convert it into the garden. So right now this is a garden which is derived from the graveyard, to be precise. And yeah, this is some shops around here. So there is a shop called Love Shop. I don't exactly know what it sells, but the name says Love Shop.
ऐसे में बड़ा सख्त लौंडा हूं, लेकिन यार यहाँ में पिघल गया.
Okay, there is one fish and chip shop. This is an intersection, and there you go. If you can see, I don't know if you can see in the camera, but the Walmart is right there in front of us. So we will do some grocery shopping. I have listed out some items for myself, and let's see how it goes. I will show you guys around. Okay, so we need to press this button as it blinks. As you can see a red light right in front of us. We want to go there. So once it turns into a white man walking sign, we will go there. So that's kind of a simple small rule in here for driving a bicycle or walking on a street. If you have need to go to another side of the road, that's a simple thing that you need to do. And this is a somewhat busy intersection. There you go, it's converted into the sign that I was talking about. A sign with a walking man with a white color on it.
अरे बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो, रहने दो, बहुत बुरे लग रहे हो. तौबा तौबा तौबा, थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
Now that we have reached that side, we want to go to the another side. We came from there, we want to go there. So now we are again waiting for that white van walking sign. There we go. Here is our Walmart, where major of the Indians do their grocery shopping and buy stuff, so that they can have some grocery on their behalf. So we are going to park our bicycle here and lock it up, because it's not safe to park a bicycle without lock here. There are some cases when bicycle got stolen because of not having a lock. So if you think that Canada has less criminal records or criminal activities, then I guess you need to think about it.
ऐसे हालात में बेहतर यही है कि वक्त रहते इंसान सतर्क होकर अपने जज्बात को काबू में रखकर अपने कदम पीछे हटा ले और अपनी जिंदगी को एक नई दिशा की तरफ मोड़ने की कोशिश करें.
So there is a little change in our plan. We are basically going to Dollarama for now, because in case you just don't know, Dollarama is a store where everything that you want to buy is having the maximum $4 price. So everything that is available in the store, it is available at the maximum $4 price.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो ना?
So if you are not looking for buying something which you are going to use for a long term, then it's a good store. Because of course, if it is having a maximum $4 price, then it's not going to have that much good quality. But I am basically going for the Dollarama for buying chocolates because I love chocolates, and chocolates that I want to buy, they are cheapest in Dollarama compared to Walmart. Walmart is having a price of $1.25 of the same chocolate, while Dollarama is having a price of 89 cents.
जोर-जोर से बोल के लोगों को स्कीमें बता दे.
And that's some good saving if you are looking for a good quantity of chocolates.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
There are some good brands if you are a chocolate lover. I can suggest you some good brands like Aero, like Reese if you are a peanut butter lover. There is a Cadbury, all-time favorite of Indians. There you go. So here is our Dollarama. Okay, so we are in here in the Dollarama. It provides us with this little bucket where we can put stuff. And as I don't have that much things to buy, I am going to use it. And these are items available. You can have a look around. It's $250 maximum. Okay, so as you can see in this bag, I have bought some chocolates for this week. I have tried different brands for this week, and I want to experiment with some chocolates, and let's see which one is good, which one is not. And once I finalize which brands are good, I will buy them for like 3-4 weeks, because you cannot come every week at Dollarama and buy stuff, because time is the main commodity when it comes to the Canada. They are paying you for one every hour, right? So yeah, I know that sounds pretty much pretentious at some point, but it is what it is.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया.
क्या बढ़िया था गुरु.
And after some shopping in Dollarama, we are finally at Walmart. Okay, so we have loaded up our items in our backpack and on our bicycle as well, and as you can see, it's a proper Indian feeling. And here we are going back to the home finally. Okay, so there is one honest confession here. I might have bought one French vanilla small size with a chocolate chip muffin, and I might have already sipped 1 or 2 sips. So yeah, that's my guilty pleasure for today, because why not? We are having a weekend, right? So yeah, some enjoyment, some good taste with the T-Mart, and there you go. Okay guys, so we are back from the shopping, and now we are cooking Maggie because I am too tired to cook anything. No, I'm telling you. And here is Smith bro eating his peanut butter with Kellogg's, and you want to see my other roommate as well. Here is Farid trying to connect to the Google Mini, but he is not able to. Let's see. Here is the Google Baba. He has named it Baba. Yeah, so we are trying to connect it in. Okay.
Hey Google, play A.R. Rahman song.
Playing A.R. Rahman on YouTube Music.
Okay. Let's see which song it plays. Oh fuck. It started instantaneously. Which one is it? And is it showing on the screen which song is it? No? Fine. I don't think. Oh, so like I think it's Tamil or Telugu. Yeah.
Hey Google, play A.R. Rahman's Hindi song.
Sure. Playing on YouTube Music.
Param Sundari in his accent. Okay guys, so that is kind of end of a video, because after having some Maggie as a dinner, because I was very tired, and having some fun with the roommates, now I'm finally signing off. I don't know how helpful that video can be because I'm kind of experimenting with the content. So do let me know if you have any suggestions, any queries in the comment section. We are kind of experimenting with the content, trying to bring up new content, thinking of new scripts and writing it down and bring it to you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching the whole video in case you did, and yeah, see you in the next video. Thank you.